Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to seam your pillow. Basically right now we just have a tube, so we're going to seam the top, stuff the pillow, and seam the bottom. And so what I've done is cut about 2 arm lengths of double-stranded yarn. Since our pillow is knitted with 2 strands, we're going to seam it with 2 strands as well. And I've threaded that onto my yarn needle here. Okay, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Focus. Okay, so you may be aware that knit stitches kind of make this little V when you're working them. It's the same with garter stitch, it's just a little bit harder to see. So I thought I'd show you with the garter stitch pillow. So this is my cast off edge up here. It makes kind of a chain of stitches, and right underneath that you can see my stitches that make this V. So what we're going to do, this is the top, sorry, this is also the cast off edge. I'm just going to seam these two together. So looking at this edge, we're going to find the first V, which is right here. If you can see that, we're going to bring the yarn needle underneath both legs of the V and pull it through. We're going to seam it to the bottom side. Except instead of going under a V, we're going to go under kind of what looks like an N. So in between the V's. Kind of makes a perfect little triangle. We're going to go under both strands of that N and pull that through. And this will make kind of another row of knit stitches, so it won't be very visible. So on the top side, here's the bound off edge. So right above that, you can find your V. We're going to go under both legs of that V, pull the yarn through, and then on the bottom side, find the N. And then if it's a little hard to find, you can just pull on your strand of yarn to see which hole you came out of, which is this one. And you're going to go right back in that same hole and out the other one. So yarn needle goes under both strands and pull that through. You can kind of tighten it up as you go, or if you want, you can just seam the whole thing and then tighten it up afterwards to make sure that the stitches are nice and even with the rest of your knitting. So back to the top side, go under that V, like so. And then under the N on the bottom. Both strands. Like so. So it'll make a little row of knit stitches right here. So I'm going to seam up this side, stuff the pillow with my pillow form, and then do the exact same thing on the other side.